glass sometimes tend to be overlooked because it's not making the statement that most people want to make. I decided that I wanted to put some onion grass in this particular piece, but I could not use it as it was because you could see through it, and it would take too much to be able to cover it on the inside. And besides that, because of the depth of this particular piece, it would be a lot of dead space. So if I covered it up, I could build up from the base and then have the greenery stems on top. I used 2 coats of Rust-Oleum black paint. I allowed it to dry in between coats, and once I had completely covered the entire vase, then I used Crendon Color Master Clear to seal it. The paint totally transformed it. It turned out awesome. See guys, creativity can give you just about anything that you desire, and paint is your best friend. Alright guys, until next time, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye now.